fight.
Let them fight. Don't horse. Don't give them slack.
Beautiful day for a test drive. Apparatus on the workings.
25. 19.
I see him. It's a hitchhiker. Oh no, it's a big red.
Oh, it's a big red?
Yeah. Oh wait.
Oh my gosh! Oh, we know you can keep that one?
Yeah, bring it over.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I haven't caught one that big before.
Get up there. There we go.
Dang. Oh, wow.
What the hell are those called? I forget.
Vermilions? Is it vermilion or is this keepable or what?
That's not a vermilion. Yeah, you can keep it.
Okay.
You never. It is.
It's not Canary, is it? Whatever.
Canary.
Can we keep it or no?
Hold on.
These ones. I can't get this fucking thing out.
Yes, you can.
Where's the...
Canary. That's what it is. Thick, clear gray band extends from head to tail. Got it? Head to tail. Black spot in the upper dorsals. There they are.
Yeah, come out. Oh, that fucker's in there.
Let me see.
There we go.
Yeah, it's a canary all day long. Black spot present. Oh, that's a smaller fish. Anal fin slanted. That's it.
Keepable.
Go in the bag.
Man, that's a big ass canary, man.
You ready to go home?
Up to you.
You're the one's been up all night.
Oh, we're trying to catch it one more ling. I thought we had another ling.
Yeah, we got one more. Is that gonna fit in the bag?
Oh.
Hopefully it's legal.
Hopefully.
It looks like what we described,
Yeah.
what I read.
I can't believe it. Fucker.
Oh, he's lit.
Nice, bud.
Yeah. Bleeding like stuck pig.
You found a place with shining stars and sun-kissed melodies.
Really? Such a good problem. Will you squeeze that together?
This? Alright. That's legal, right? I think it is.
Yeah.
What's that? Are we off course or?
Oh. Yeah, let me get it.
What's the one you're not allowed to keep? want to do? You want to go in? We go in. We don't. We don't. Rick.
Billy, we'll get you to bed.
Time to go. Here we go. That thing was fighting like a thing.
Yeah. Right before his life.
Resolution information now. 800-200-6895.
What do you got?
800-200-6895. Individuals and businesses with tax problems, listen carefully. If you owe over $10,000 in back taxes or have unfiled tax returns, U.S. Tax Shield can help you take back control. The IRS can seize your bank accounts, garnish your paycheck, close your business, and file criminal charges. Our team of tax attorneys can stop collections and get you protected. U.S. Tax Shield offers a price protection guarantee quote to get you protected today. U.S. Tax Shield is A+ rated with the BDB, so call 800-466-9625. U.S. Tax Shield, 800-466-9625.